everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today on Cooking with Corey,
carrot cake.
Jen's gonna make a delicious carrot cake recipe for us today. I'm gonna make you some cream cheese frosting. That's next on Cooking with Corey. Let's get her done.
Alright, I'm gonna take you through the ingredients. So first, for Corey's cream cheese frosting, he's gonna use cream cheese obviously, and butter and powdered sugar. For the cake itself, I'm going to use 1 1/4 cups of salad oil, 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of sifted flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 4 eggs, and 3 cups of grated raw carrots. They're not grated yet, obviously, so that's going to be the first step, is grating those carrots. Alright, so now we're grating the carrots, and we're going to take Corey's early Christmas present on its maiden voyage. Here we go. Gonna keep going until we get 3 cups of grated raw carrot. So it's time to sift together the dry ingredients. So I got my baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, and 2 cups of flour. I've already sifted 1 cup, and it's time to sift the rest of these together. Alright, so let me tell you what I got here. I cracked my eggs 1 at a time to make sure they were all okay. Here's my sifted ingredients, my oil, and I've got 2 cups of sugar. One's already in the bowl and one's right here. So the next thing I gotta do is combine the oil and the sugar. So let me pour this into my bowl, and the 2nd cup of sugar, and then I'll mix that up. Okay, so then the next step is to add a little bit of the dry and an egg. And mix. And then after this is mixed, I'll add a little more dry and another egg and mix again, and so on until all the eggs and all the dry ingredients are in the bowl. Okay, we got the batter all mixed up here, and the next thing we got to add is, of course, the grated carrot to make this a carrot cake. Now, I should have told you earlier that you could certainly add nuts to this if you want to add walnuts or pecans. That's traditional. We're not adding nuts because Corey doesn't like nuts in dessert, and I'm okay with that, so we're just going with this. So you're going to mix these carrots into this batter, and when it's all nice and mixed up, I'm going to put it into this 9 by 11 pan. I'm gonna lightly oil that first, and we're gonna bake it in a 325-degree oven for about 45 minutes. I don't know, I'm gonna keep my eye on it and test it with a toothpick, and when the toothpick comes out clean, I'll call it done. So I lightly greased my 9 by 13 pan, not 9 by 11, mind you, 9 by 13. And so now I'm gonna just pour my batter into there. All right, got the batter in the pan, just kind of making sure it's all in there evenly. And we're just about ready to put it in the oven. 325 degrees for about 45 minutes.
All right, let's get some cream cheese frosting going. Look at this. 2 8-ounce cubes of cream cheese and 2 sticks of butter. Those are going into our mixing bowl. And I made a mess of it, but it's gonna be all right. Let's go in, lock it in. What we're gonna do, we're gonna cream it, get both of those incorporated and loving each other. We'll be back to add some sugar. All right, we've been creaming our butter and cream cheese together. Now we need to scrape down our sides and get down there into the bottom of the bowl, like so. And after we do that, we're gonna let it rip for 15 seconds and we'll add some sugar. All right, now's a good time to put in a tablespoon of pure vanilla, a little bit more. I like a vanilla. There we go. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put our KitchenAid down, we're gonna lock it, and I got 1.5 pounds of powdered sugar, which I'm gonna add intermittently. And you only add this to how thick you want your frosting to be. I like mine a little thick, so there's gonna be a lot of powdered sugar. And for the love of God, please start this slow or you will get a powdery, sugary bath. All right, we're gonna keep doing this. We'll be back. All right, we're where we need to be. Let's turn this off. We only added about 1 pound of our powdered sugar to this, which is more than enough. If you need more, go ahead and add more. This is the consistency I like, and it is delicious. Hey, if you have leftover frosting, hey, there's many different ways you can use it. Just saying. All right, let's get this cake out of the oven, get it cooled, and get it frosted. All right, this ice, this bad boy carrot cake we made. All right, I like a lot of this cream cheese icing on there. And you can do a creme layer, you know, if you're a professional pastry chef. I'm not, I'm just a regular chef. I don't like pastry because you have to follow rules, so I'm not much into that. So you know what? I'm gonna finish frosting this cake up with our cream cheese icing, and we'll be back and we'll show you how it looks. All right, here we got it. 9 by 13 pan carrot cake. We got it all looking good right there. Cream cheese frosting. Hey, a nice thick layer over too. Don't be cheating yourself with that cream cheese frosting. If you got more left over, hey, you can do a lot of stuff with that, trust me. Anyway, that is a great looking piece of carrot cake. Thanks for watching Cooking with Corey and Jen. We'll see you next week.